You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.
Thanks for coming, eh? No problem.
Hi. My dear, as soon as I heard that you sent for me, I had to leave all I'm doing to come and find out if all is well.
My dear, all is well. All is very well. I called you to give you my meeting fee so that you can, pay for me because I won't be able to come. My brother and the wife, they are relocating from the city to the village.
Are you serious?
Yes. So I want to prepare a delicious oha soup for them and then receive them.
Are you serious? Hey. Well, no problem. I will do that for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'll also bring back anything shared at the meeting for you.
Hi. Thank you very much. That is so.
My friend, see, let me tell you, as Innocent is coming back is proper. And as the son of the Ozo, I heard he must either inherit it and continue the function from the father, or either sell it to another person.
You are correct.
And that's as our custom demands.
That is exactly why he's coming back. Yes, that's exactly why he's coming back. Let me go and bring the money and give you. Go. No, but thank you.
The only bird a hunter could not bring down, even after several shots. Idiot,
But man, this one you are carrying all this load. I hope there's no trouble in the township.
No, there's no trouble in township. In fact, township is as peaceful as our village. You understand? Meet me in the house later. Oh, better still, let me see you later. Let me hurry down and drop all these things, change into something, and come and see you. Let us go to the guy and tell you or bottle.
That's very good. No.
This one you did not even say hello to my wife. Do you think she's my daughter or my girlfriend?
No. She's too beautiful. I don't know. I don't know how you will. If I greet her now.
Okay, don't say that one. Don't say before you go into unclean. Before you say you go into unclean something. You understand?
No.
Wait. Mind the way you greet sometimes. Don't mind the way you shake.
Hello.
Transport all the way from city down to village. Woku kadira nono. Imakwa inama killing transport all the way from city down to village. Woku kadira nono. Obodo nebaya inama. He is calling, he is going. Woku killing no man inama. Amakwa follow, Anon eyogi. I beg you, hold your peace, Psalm 23 naga.
I hope it was not too stressful.
It was stressful. You know how our roads are. Bad roads, They be doing Janglova. But we managed it.
Johnny was successful.
Nobody, there's no all these small children. Nobody is around.
You can't do that. We don't stress ourselves that much.
no, more than 88. You know, more than 88. You know, my clean transport.
Okay, do you expect us to bring this now? Let's go.
Is it not the same food you eat that I eat as a human being? It's alright if you can go.
Untie it, no, now. Untie it, let's take it.
Omego Wanile. There is good news.
What is the good news?
Your chances of becoming one of the 4 cardinal Ozons in our community after the Ozons ceremony is very high.
Come to me now, what's happening?
Yes, Uchenna Udemba, who sits on his father's title, just came back 2 days ago. And Apia Winfeke.
Okay.
Just told me that Innocent Mokute is right on his way back. Giving us, particularly you, options of choosing from one of them.
You know that 2 of them are very poor.
Very, very poor. Now you have said it, they are very poor.
In that case, we have to strategize and make an offer.
Yes.
I'll buy one for myself. And if 2 of them are for sale, I'll buy the second one for my 5-year-old boy, Fred.
Yes, I know you will say for your son. Yes, so we will put our heads together and strategize on how to present the offer.
You see, I don't think we have any other time. We don't have much time to spend. Let's go there and make the offer.
Yes,
so
sir.
I can take it.
You have just said it. Oh, man, go, Wanile. Don't Yes, sir. Yes. Very big opportunity. Which counts but once.
Yes.
Hey. Yes, sir.
I am going out, and there is no palm wine. Ha! Uchenna, why are you talking like this? Yeah? Are you not my friend again? Can't I come to see my friend? Okay, let me tell you. I am here to inform you before you start taking decisions about getting married, so that you don't make mistake. There is this beautiful daughter of Mazi Osisioma. Her name is Ijenwada. She is the only girl I trust in this community. Yeah? See, some of these girls, if not all of them, are wash. Apia. I just came in 2 days ago.
I know.
I know that I am long overdue for marriage. But one thing after the other. Okay, if you must know. Once we are done with the Feast of Ozonze, I shall relax and choose a wife for myself. Or better still, look into your proposal. But for now, I am going to see my grandmother and know why my mother is still there since yesterday.
Don't follow me.
Oh. You enjoyed it, have you?
Yes, you are a fantastic one.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Oh.
Once again, you are welcome.
You're saying once again. Which other resounding welcome is bigger than this thing you just gave us? Thank you very much.
I understand how you feel. I know the decision is not easy for you to take. I mean, leaving the city and coming here. You see this other title we're talking about? It's not a small thing, no. It's a very big thing. Our grandfather handed it over to our father. And then our father handed it over to him. In case he decides to keep it, then a very big ceremony will be performed. Yes, the benefits of continuing from where our father stopped is too much. And There is no decision in this community that will be taken without him. This also title is very important. The benefits, Erika, they are too much. So please, I need you to understand. You know, Gonne.
Banso Bahadro. Adanne. Anya batago buna anya batago. Don't worry, later we'll have woman to woman talk. That's when he won't be here.
Obiakwa, you talk woman to woman talk. Let it not be Ashe. Don't go and start gossiping anything, no.
Do I look like a gossip?
I trust you women. You understand? You did well. For this resounding welcome. Let me go inside and change. As it is, somebody might be waiting for me, you know, let him come. I saw him putting on black. They'll be waiting for me on black. In their own confusion, I will put on white. But I'm a fellow. You got that? So let me go inside and change into something else. Will be in another thing. And I am sure, you know, when we are coming back, small children, I see how people we are noticing our return. One or two persons may have gone inside to tell the father or the mother that they saw Enoma and his wife coming back to the village. And they were expecting me to come and greet them. So I need to go and, you know, share greetings. I don't have money to share. I don't have anything to give. I'm a clean man. But I have plenty greetings to share. Let me go and share my greetings. You got that? And another thing, no, don't think that I'll pass this way in view of protection. So don't go waiting for me.
Oh, yes,
yeah,
sir.
You know.
Okay. Guys, Diggy. We have a lot to discuss. Let me take out this into Badria. I'm coming. Hey, man, Yoma.
Imakwa Inoma killing transport all the way from city down to village.
I'm actually going to your house.
Yes. We are here.
Okay.
Let us from here move to a Banwai joint and cool ourselves. Our body system. Put it in order.
But they say there's one new place where they sell palm wine in this community. I'm telling you, if you taste that palm wine.
You see, the way you're describing this palm wine. Wait, what about wine or chance palm wine?
Forget wine or cha. Wine or cha is learning where this person is. We call him Kwe. If you taste his palm wine, you forget your wife for him.
Obiakwa, eh? How can I know that this palm wine, if I take it, I will forget my wife? Then I'll go and take it. For what?
I didn't mean you forget your wife. But this is a way to describe how sweet his palm wine is. Angocha,
that means my wife should go and put her chaplet in water.
Let us go first so that you taste this way.
No, this is my house.
I know, there's a way we'll cut.
Okay, I'm happy way.
Bam! I have always known.
You know, I have always counted on you. I know that you can do it. Go.
Just let me show you.
No, Ugo, tell me you're joking. Tell me you're joking. How can I joke with a thing like that?
We are talking about 5 million naira.
Yes, so that was what Ikenna Musisioma sold the one he inherited from his father.
Are you serious?
3 years ago. Yes.
Hey. My husband, needs to sell this also title. In fact, as a matter of fact, we do not need it. What are we going to do with it?
Aneli.
We need money. In fact, I need to relocate this house. You know I don't belong here.
I know.
I don't belong here. We need to move to a better classy house. I need to bear my children. They will go to school in London, America. No, I need that money. And he must sell that also title.
He has to sell it. You have to choke him very well. Talk to him. Let him sell it.
I will talk to him. In fact, I will force him.
Thank you.
How can a young cute boy like my husband be going up and down all in the name of meeting in this Zemozo? We don't need all that. We need money. I need money so I can pamper myself, take good care of myself.
No.
He has to sell it. Can we get a kunite? He has to sell it. Can you imagine? So, 5 million. 5 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, he has to sell it. Because they need to go meet the gold now. He has to sell it. I'm telling you.
Okay, there is no problem now. Okay. It's alright. Kodun Kaisipuni. Okay. Bye-bye. Hi. No. Omali Changwan. Take me, man.
I'm fine. Good afternoon, sir.
Oh, fine afternoon. Hi. What is your name?
My name is Isioma.
Hi, Isioma. Okay, there's no problem. I'm going to call you. Okay, Messia? Hi. Hi. Could she be the one Apia talked about? I heard Isioma or Osisioma. Oma is involved. Hi. Wanka Maya. Hi. Indeed, this village has beautiful girls that can make a good wife. Hi. Me never call on Kanya. Hi.
Chief Omego, he knows you people are here. You'll be here in a jiffy.
No problem.
It's all right.
Who wants something must wait patiently.
Bam! Ichie.
Chief Omego! Ofudia name of load. Chief Omego, Ichie. I envy your wife. You're such a big man. Oh,
Sorry. My wife. Sorry. Chief, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I kept you people waiting. It was as a result of the palm wine. Very sweet. I'm sorry.
Do you take palm wine?
Of course. She's a natural herb.
I didn't think I would have brought a very nice Korean drink I bought in France.
That would have
more than 80,000 naira.
That would have been wonderful. Oh my God.
7 million naira.
Yes. 7 million.
I don't understand. Tell me why we are here.
You know, this big grammar we have been blowing here is to cut everything short. Omego wants to buy you our title. Yes. Omego, man.
Wait, let me ask the both of you. Who told the both of you that I want to sell my Ozo? Okay, in that case, 8 million naira. Okay, let me increase. Let me tell you, as a matter of fact, this Ozo cannot be for sale. This Ozo, my grandfather got it with 17 cows and other things. And as a matter of fact, when he got this Ozo, it was a time when integrity was in vogue, when integrity was the order of the day and not money. He used it and transferred it to my father. My father, as a matter of fact, maintained the integrity. He maintained it and never allowed money to rule him. He gave it to me. He transferred it to me. So I will abide under that condition of allowing integrity to rule me and not money. You understand? So I will not sell this organ. Organ. I will not sell it. Because in that case, 10 million.
Innocent. For what? Yeah, you know.
10 million.
It is 10 million naira we are talking about here. Ego na aswaso, ego baroporo. The fortune of a lifetime. Accept this money and use it to arrange yourself. so that you start living a worthy and fulfilled life. Take this money. You know you are very poor. Take this money and arrange yourself. Listen, if you want to buy the Ozo title later, when you have made enough money, you can do that. Do it, buy it from another person. You looked at me and called me a poor man. Between me and you, who is poor? Check my size and check yours. Who is poor? I am fulfilled if you don't know. I am fulfilled because I am covered under the umbrella of Psalm 23. Good says, Jehovah Boyena Asumdika. So you cannot rule me. Money cannot rule me, and nothing can make me sell my Ozo title. Not even your highest amount.
Innocent, by me looking at you, your life is incomplete.
Yes.
Go and think about it. If you want money, by tomorrow afternoon, I'll give you 12 million.
Giver of life. I didn't know you're a giver of life. To have known that my life is incomplete. No, allow me to talk. Let me talk. So you called me. You open your mouth. Let me talk. Let me talk.
I want to reorganize your life.
An opportunity that comes. You don't want 12 million.
Don't be offended. My husband is very stubborn. We'll be at your place before midday tomorrow. Keep the 10 million. Keep it. Oh, in a theater.
Uche, that person you saw is not Ijewada. Huh? Yes, the person you saw is Ozioma. Hi, Ijewada's father is Osisioma. That is what is yes. Hi. But as it is now, I want you to find out about Isioma. Know her family and everything, and then get back to me. Consider it done. I've done it already. But you need to just to rub my hand. Rub your hand. I don't understand. Give me something, at least let me take, even if now one stick of cigarette as I go there. Okay. There is no problem. Okay. I will give you money for cigarette. You will. No, give it to me now, please.
No. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me nonsense. We are talking about 10 million.
I said I cannot do it. I will not.
It's not 3 million. We are talking about 10
million. Even if it is 100 million, I will not do it. Even if it is 200 million, I will not do it. Even if you like, shout down the sky, shout down this roof, I will not sell it.
If you don't, I will give you trouble. Problems in this house. I will not cook. I will not wash it from car. Nothing for you, not my word.
Look at you. If you get I will meet up your head before. Have you ever beheaded it? But I tell you something, Monica. I am going to take you to church for deliverance.
Your man, you see your mates are there eating money, spending money. No marital someone inside Aruna. You rubbished me. Reduce 1 to 0. Now look at money. Nenego, money is calling you. You deaf? Are you blind? 10 million. You know, man.
Let me tell you, Monica, if money will make me, selling that thing will make me be mad. Yes, I am mad because I'm not going to sell it. Monica will not sell it. I will take you to a church. They will baptize and change the name for you because this name is disturbing you. Monica, anything about money intoxicate you. I don't know if it what is this thing. I'm not going to sell it. If it takes you to leave this place or do otherwise, I will not do it.
Range, pack that useless, smelling, stinking integrity. Go be somewhere. What I need is money. Integrity will not buy me hair. Integrity will not buy me latest makeup. It will take me to London. What is integrity?
I bring out this roof. I will not sell it. Money cannot rule me. I will rule money. My integrity matters to me more than money.
Integrity? What bullshit integrity are you
talking about? If you don't know. You know my clean transport in the city cannot be within the church. Yes. Let me tell you, I have never forgotten Psalm 23 which says, so I will not allow money rule me. Not even you, my wife, cannot rule me.
I will call prophet, call Debia, call everybody to deliver you from your deranged mentality, from your poverty mentality. You need to be rich. Money. You need to eat money. And my Holy Ghost fire. Money. I need to deliver you.
Ushena, what do you say? I offer you 6 million naira.
There is no problem, sir. I will accept it.
You accepted that?
That's good.
Do you want cash or check?
Omego, 6 million naira is not what I can accept in cash. I will take the check and then pay it into my account, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
As you can see, Innocent will whoop over this when he hears that you've taken your own money.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations.
Oh, my God.
Money speaks.
I am.
I'm coming, let me finish.
Yes, we are waiting. Uchenna, in fact, you are a very smart boy. Eh? You know that you took a very wise decision.
Thank you, sir.
Innocent will weep like a baby when he hears this.
Yes, he will.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. Leave me alone. Since your brother has decided to live and die in abject poverty, me, Monica, I will not subdue myself to that level. You never know, make a snap for one aqua. Because I know you have decided to stay in this house with you. You have suffered me enough. I won't suffer again. I don't want I won't take that. Am I supposed to be here? Am I supposed to be in this house? I'm supposed to be living a good life now, Kunite. It's a woman. That's what happened.
Thank you. Let me tell you, all this is you're saying. What you're supposed to say is that this man here has refused to be subdued. Hence this man has refused and decided to continue with his brain intact. That's what you're supposed to be saying, and not all this nonsense you're saying. You understand? Let me tell you, I will never in this whole life accept anything that will make me come down from who I am.
You know you are wrong. Plead with her not to go. Plead with her. Consider the money. Omeko has told you to wait to come before 12 o'clock. Please, let's wait now.
Let me, Adugo, be sure. Adugo, close your mouth. That mama died and you are now like a mother to me. It doesn't mean that you open your mouth and talk to me anyhow. You see, let me tell you. From now till 20 years to come, if you put me in a probation house, if you put me in a room to consider, my answer will continue to be no. I will not accept it.
And my answer right now is yes. Yes, my answer is yes. It's few minutes to 12. Since Chief Omego asked you to come around 12, I am going there right now to collect the money. Watch me do it.
Look at you! Look at you! No! Look at you! Let me tell you, you're on your own, no? If you go and collect that money from also Omego or whatever, you call him. You will go to your village to dig out also titleship and give to him. You play it. I will never be subdued to any nonsense. I operated in Norma clean transport in the city. I have returned to this village to continue my goodwill, to continue dwelling in the path of righteousness. You cannot change my ways. No, not now, not ever.
Go and bring her back. Go and bring her back.
Let me tell you, you're saying that I'm wrong. Yes, okay, let me accept I am wrong. Which one are you? You're not wrong, you're not right. Which one are you?
Your wife just left you. Go and bring her back. I am not going to cook for you. I will not be that wife. Go and bring her back. No.
Come, go to the farm. Go to the farm and harvest some cassava before you know hear that nonsense.
Every time you are talking rubbish. Go and bring her back, I've told you.
Let me answer one motor. You know my clean transport. What I can say about my mood.
You are right on time.
Thank you very much. Chelu. Easy. The mechanic outside.
See, the news all over the village is that you sold your late father's also title.
Stop that nonsense. What are you talking about? What am I doing with miserable local title when I can actually do big business with the 6 million naira that I've got?
6 million?
Listen, Gentle. After the festival, that is when I must have handed the also title to Omego, I will marry. Take my wife to Lagos and start a new life.
It's a very wonderful idea. Beautiful.
Okay, can according.
But as long as I'll get my share.
You can do whatever you like. Relax yourself and drink. My mother is cooking in there. Yes. Relax yourself. What are we talking about? Give me I said you should drink, not you should dive it. Huh?
Hey, Nai, thank God I was coming to your house. We are ready to sell now. We are ready to
Ah, my daughter is too late. Too late. He just bought it from Uchenna Udemba for 6 million. 4 million naira less than he would have paid in. He says the only way he can still buy it from your husband is if he's ready to accept 200,000 naira so that he will buy it for his 5-year son. The choice is yours, my daughter. When you are ready, you come to me. I am ready.
Nai,
200,000 naira, and that's all. See you later.
Hey! You know how cute me. If that won't work. I'm leaving. When his brain returns, he knows where to find me.
Leave all this.
I am tired.
Leave her, let her go. You understand? Let her go. What is the essence of living with this person in a room? I kept begging this girl in the city. Let us make babies like every other family does. The worst part is the way she purchases her leg, the way she locks her leg. I wonder how it's as if she locks the leg, she throws away the key. There is no key I have not used to open those legs to no avail. I even used master key to open it. You understand? Only what she kept hammering on in the city was money. You know, he must give me money to buy hair. You know, he must give me money to buy cream. You know, he must give me money to buy soap. You know, he must do money. Do you know the worst part? The worst part is that the small change, the small money this girl makes from her door, from her tailoring work, what she does with it is to enter the market and buy cream, buy soap, buy hair and put on her head. You understand? If you see this girl on a mirror dressing, making up, you think she's Mami Water. This girl takes a whole lot of time to make up this her face. Sometimes when she stands on the mirror making up, the way she disfigures her face makes her look like imbecile. Is this the same woman I went and married with my hard-earned money, disfiguring her face like an imbecile? This girl is nothing to write home about. I am sure you're going to cook better than she does. So be cooking for me, let me be eating.
You want to marry your own sister?
I wish it is possible, but it is not. So I'm not going to marry you. But you see Monica, leave Monica. I know where they stay. Leave Monica. Biko, go inside and get me something to eat. What we are supposed to be talking about now is Psalm 23. You understand? That is the major thing overall Monica's issue. I'm going for Ozo meeting. Yes, you see that meat I came back with yesterday. You can take any part of that meat, cook anything you want to cook, but there is one part you will not play with me with. That is the equi. You see the liver? Don't go there, because the liver is food meant for the Ozo. So I don't want to come back here and ask you where is the liver. You can cook any other part. Yeah?
No problem.
Let me go and come.
No problem. You see what happened, eh? Though I wanted you to collect the money because of the amount involved. But seeing you looking like this, Ije, I'm so proud of you.
It's alright.
Thank you very much. And I know that our father and grandfather, they will be so proud of you too. You know, Marie Clean.
Of course. Our father and our grandfather, they became happy the day I declined the offer of 10 million naira. When I said no to 10 million naira offer, our father and forefather became happy. In fact, they became more happy the day I possessed also sheep. You understand? You see, that time when people were saying, you don't have sense. You're senseless. What kind of a man are you? You are offered 10 million naira to quit your other sheep or to sell your other sheep. I said, look, let me tell you. There are more valuable things than money. Things that money cannot buy, which is cleanliness, which is honesty, which is uprightness. Don't soil your hand because of money. What is money? Money comes and goes. You understand? So I said no. Now you have said it all. I look everything fine, everything, you know. So I thank you very much. Make sure you cook this thing.
I will cook it very well.
Biko. I'll make it do. So I'll be back soon.
Oh yeah, Gano. I will cook it very clean.
I like this one. I like this one you just said now. You're going to cook it very clean. I don't joke with cleanliness. Cleanliness is my motto. Cook it clean. Make sure it's okay.
He's going. Papa killing the man. I'm not for I beg you, hold your peace, yes. I'm 23.
In fact, I went to Mbuka myself and bought the washer and boat that we tied. I am sure when I went to Mbuka to go and buy, this boy must have taken 1 or 2 washers from another person's car, which I warned against to put here. And now this thing is unclean.
You know, listen. Look for a stone and heat around the engine. Let's see if this car will start. I'm sure this must be the plans of the enemy, so we can get stuck here.
No. Leave enemy on this. Let me. My mind is telling me something.